Hey my friends, welcome to Joystick. In this video, I will show you how to install the Beautiful Soup library in Python on Mac. So let me show you in which version of Python we'll be installing the Beautiful Soup library. The command to check the Python version is python 3 -- version. And there you go, it says Python 3.13.5 is the version of the Python that is installed on my Mac, and it's the current version. And let me also tell you that it's the latest version of Python available at the time of recording this video. So if you also want to install the latest Python version available, then watch this video in the I button. Or you may choose to install the Beautiful Soup library in the version of Python that is already installed on your Mac. Let's begin installing the Beautiful Soup library. The first thing that we are going to do is to create a Python project folder. I'm going to create that folder in my desktop, but you can choose to create it wherever you want. So I'm going to go inside my desktop. So I'll type the command cd desktop with DS capital. And there you go, I am inside my desktop. Here I'm going to create a Python project folder using the command mkdir. And I'm going to name this Python project folder as bs_install. BS stands for Beautiful Soup. There you go. You can see that a bs_install folder has been created on my desktop. Now I'm going to go inside this bs_install folder using the cd command like this. And over here, we are going to create a Python virtual environment. The command to create a Python virtual environment is very simple. It is python 3 -m venv and the name of the virtual environment folder, which we are going to keep as bs_venv. And now we are going to hit enter. Now, if this command doesn't throw any error, that means that this virtual environment got successfully created, bs_venv. There you go. No error. Let's check by typing the command ls-l, and there you go, you can see bs_venv folder created. This is our virtual environment. Now we are going to activate it, and the command to do that is source space the virtual environment folder, which is bs_venv/bin/activate. We hit enter again, and you can see that the virtual environment has become active. Now we'll install the Beautiful Soup library. The command to do that is pip install and then Beautiful Soup 4. Okay. Pip install Beautiful Soup 4. This is the command to install the Beautiful Soup library. We hit enter now, and you can see the installation has begun. It ended very quickly, and it says successfully installed Beautiful Soup 4. And that's amazing. Now let's test whether we have been able to install Beautiful Soup successfully. What we'll do, since our virtual environment is active, is that we are going to enter into a Python prompt like this. And over here, we are going to write from BS4 import Beautiful Soup. What we are doing here, we are trying to import the Beautiful Soup class from the module Beautiful Soup. Okay. Let's hit enter. And since it didn't throw any error, it means that we have successfully installed the Beautiful Soup library in this virtual environment that we created in this Python project folder. And with this, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed learning how to install the Beautiful Soup library in Python on Mac from this video of Joystick. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye and take very good care of yourself.